Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you're a DeFi enthusiast or a trader focusing on Sui tokens, this video is for you. Today we'll compare the Cetus Volume Booster to other tools in the market and explore why it's the ultimate choice for boosting trading volume on decentralized exchanges. Stay tuned to uncover the features that make Cetus a game changer for traders. Let's start with the basics. The Cetus Volume Booster is a cutting-edge trading tool built specifically to optimize the liquidity and trading volume of Sui tokens. It integrates seamlessly with Sui-based decentralized exchanges, DEX, leveraging advanced algorithms to create efficient and profitable trading cycles. Unlike generic market-making tools, Cetus is tailored for the unique architecture of the Sui blockchain, ensuring faster transaction speeds, lower costs, and unparalleled performance. What makes Cetus stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into its key features. 1. Sui-specific optimization. Cetus is designed exclusively for the Sui blockchain, taking full advantage of its scalability and low fees. 2. Dynamic order placement. The tool automates buy and sell orders, maintaining liquidity and minimizing slippage for traders. 3. Customizable parameters. Adjust spreads, trading volumes, and risk settings to match your strategy. 4. Seamless wallet integration. Easily connect popular Sui-compatible wallets like Sui Wallet or Wave Wallet for hassle-free trading. 5. Advanced analytics. Access real-time data on trading volume, profitability, and market trends to refine your strategy. Compared to generic tools, Cetus provides precision and flexibility tailored to Sui's unique ecosystem. Now, let's see how the Cetus Volume Booster stacks up against other tools. 1. Uniswap bots. While Uniswap trading bots are robust, they're built for Ethereum and don't optimize for Sui's low transaction fees or high throughput. Cetus takes full advantage of Sui's design, delivering faster and more cost-effective trades. 2. PancakeSwap strategies. PancakeSwap is great for Binance Smart Chain users, but it lacks the Sui-specific integrations that Cetus offers. Plus, Cetus's analytics tools provide deeper insights into trading volume. 3. Generic market-making tools. Many bots cater to multiple blockchains but fail to provide the precision needed for Sui's ecosystem. Cetus bridges this gap by offering blockchain-specific customization for maximum efficiency. So why should you choose the Cetus Volume Booster? Here are some standout benefits. 1. Enhanced liquidity. By optimizing order placement, Cetus ensures that your trades are executed quickly and with minimal slippage. 2. Improved trading volume. Boost your token's market activity and attract more traders to your liquidity pool. 3. Cost efficiency. With Sui's low transaction fees, Cetus allows you to maximize returns without breaking the bank. 4. User-friendly interface. Its clean dashboard and simple setup make it accessible to both beginners and advanced traders. 5. Customizable strategies. Tailor the tool to match your trading goals, whether you're focusing on market making or arbitrage. While Cetus offers incredible advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Market volatility. As with any trading tool, market fluctuations can impact performance. Monitor your strategy closely. 2. Learning curve. Although the interface is user-friendly, understanding Sui's ecosystem is essential for optimal use. Best practices. 1. Start small. Use lower trade volumes to test and refine your settings. 2. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Sui network updates and Cetus feature rollouts. 3. Analyze results. Use the analytics tools to continuously improve your trading strategy. Before you go, here are some questions to consider. 1. How does Cetus Volume Booster align with your current trading strategy? 2. What features of Cetus would you find most valuable for your Sui token trading? 3. Are you leveraging Sui's unique blockchain benefits to maximize your trading profits? 4. How could analytics tools help you refine your trading decisions? Let us know your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. If you're serious about boosting Sui token trading volume, the Cetus Volume Booster is your ultimate tool. Want to learn more about DeFi trading strategies and blockchain tools? Watch the related videos shown in the screen, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.